Drone racing is supposed to be fun, right? Why am I up before 8 in the morning to drive 2 hours to another city to race for next to nothing?
Whose is that?
The car?
Yeah.
It's Patrick's. He's been talking about it all morning. It has potential, but it's also a busy project.
I fried my other one. I overpowered it.
I'm gonna wear that all day long.
Oh my gosh! Did you get your 107?
Yeah, yesterday.
Oh, congrats!
Shotgun. Jake, did you break the door?
I didn't break the door.
Yeah, let me try this. Watch out. Oh, that's definitely not. Yeah, that was not right. That way.
Patrick, you been drinking this morning?
No.
Oh yeah, I'll just roll down my window. Like I'll just sit right here. I'll just do this down the freeway. We're good. Patrick packed so late he forgot the door.
Oh wait, look. There it is. Okay. Now, does it go further up? Okay, I think this is it. I'm not gonna slam it too hard. I just want to see.
Hey!
My baby's a freak like me, and she knows just what I like. She carries all the keys to the places that no one dares to find. She won't tell nobody what goes on within these walls. If they talk, they probably tell you all about love. So my soul help us all. And it's close to a fight in the midst of neon lights. And my neighbors, they greet me with bags under their eyes. And you know why. My baby's a freak like me, and she knows just what I like. She carries all the keys to the places that no one dares to find. She won't tell nobody what goes on within these walls. If they talk, they probably tell you all about love.
We get it. You vape. Got it. Dude, that's better than you usually fly. You should give that one to Jethro, so that he like tries to, as he jumps for it, it'll keep itself up. Oh! We're done with the second round of qualifying. I'm currently holding the top qualifying spot, and we're taking a bit of a lunch break with tiny whoops going around. Ow! That actually hurt. What was that? Is that the brushless tiny whoop? Was that you, Patrick? No. Are you sure it wasn't you?
Yeah, it was me. It was me. It was me. That neck right there, dude.
Fizzy, come here.
Dude, Fizzy.
Fizzy, come here.
Oh, are you okay?
Jeez.
I'm sorry, man.
How are you gonna make up for that?
I don't know.
Oh, concubine, what are you made of? No resource on this earth is that song. I swear by God, you are
even though we're inside, it's actually pretty cold. When you can see my breath, but like when it's cold, your props get more brittle and you break props. And so when I was going up into the diamond gate, I ended up crashing and smashing a prop. Oh well, no big deal. I currently hold the top qualifier, so I'm going to keep that trend going and get on into heads up racing. Qualifying is over, semifinals are over, and we are down to the AAA mains.
Consisting of Nurk, Jaws, KB, Deluxe 312, King, and Sidewinder.
Yeah, those guys. Yeah, we're in the money now.
Watch his feed.
Oh my god, my video!
We have Nurk, Jaws, KB, 1-2, 3 laps in, Sidewinder, third place, 3 laps in, Deluxe.
Alright, my video got totally blown out in that heat, and I smashed into a gate as a result of it. So I don't know what I can do to fix that. Kind of obnoxious, but that's the fun part about AAA mains is I got 2 more shots to try to figure that out. So we'll see. Yeah, that camera is not super happy anymore.
Arm your quads. We're gonna go live on the tone. Nurk is now on to lap number 5, and Jaws is right behind him, 0.3 of a second back in second place. Nurk and Jaws are on to their final lap, or I should say, Jaws appears to be on his final lap. It looks like Nurk may be out. No, that was not it.
I threw away a win.
Yeah, well, I was gonna
He's
catch you,
still
bro.
past.
I was gonna catch you.
Sideline.
I heard him say they started their last lap, so I pushed it, finished, and then put the quad down so I didn't ruin it. Turns out it was only the 5th lap, not the 6th.
Thanks, Nurk.
So I landed and handed Jaws the win. Like literally just like, here you go.
Cheers, Nurk. The whole
On
event.
to lap 2.
That was hands down the stupidest thing I've ever done in a race. So stupid. Idiot. Such an idiot. Unbelievable. Yeah, we got one more. Jaws clinched it though. This guy is the winner.
Yeah, buddy. Thanks to Nurk.
Thanks to me. I don't want to talk about it. I'm done talking about it. I'm gonna go beat this kid's ass.
Currently, Jaws is in the lead with 20 points. And then there's a distant gap down to second place, which is K-Mead with 9. And then Deluxe has 8 points. And then you, Nurk, King, and Sidewinder all have 5 points. So if you can win this next race, that'll give you 15 points. And then if K-Mead managed to get second, that would give him 14 points. Oh no, I'm sorry, that would give him 15 points, so there would be a tie there.
Ooh.
So we would have to have a race off.
I'm down
but
with
if
that.
Deluxe got second, you would still win. But that it all depends on what Jaws does. So if Jaws places in second place, you have nothing to worry about because he'll just solidify his win.
Okay, cool. So that's what we gotta do, we gotta win.
5. Ooh, the Sidewinder. Jaws is the first one through, followed by KB and Nurk. There is 2.2 seconds between them. Deluxe, Sidewinder, King, that is 4, 5, and 6. Remember, this is a race to 6 laps. KB, followed by Nurk, followed by Jaws, followed by Deluxe and Sidewinder. 5 seconds separates the top 5. Looks like King is out. There was only a 1.6 second gap between King. And Jaws is done with first place, solidifying his victory with a perfect score of 30 points. K-Mead is done in second place. I believe that will solidify him in second place overall. And Deluxe takes third. Nurk pulling up the rear with 6.
Straight up last place. Guess I like all that. Should be fun. Should be a good day.